straight up over that with the way it was prepped right now. So the winch helped you get through an uncomfortable situation and then lack of traction situation as a tool. The winch isn't just for recovery.
A winch is super important when you're off-roading because if you're out there alone, having a winch can be the difference between a great day out on the trails and a super expensive recovery bill. So what makes our winch great? We designed our winch right here in Pennsylvania. We offer two sizes, a 10,000 pound winch and a 12,000 pound winch. 10,000 pound has a 4.6 horsepower motor. The 12,000 pound has a 5.6 horsepower motor. Both electric, both auto load holding. We designed every little detail of the winch to try and make it best as possible. We really paid a lot of attention to the aesthetics of the winch, so we went with a nice boxy, off-road, rugged-looking winch. From every detail, from the look of the winch to the design of the clutch handle to make it easier to operate when you're wearing gloves, to the remote, the electronics case, the hook. We have a super premium hook that comes with your winch right off the bat. You don't have to upgrade to that. We offer several different colors of synthetic rope that you can choose from. So all around, we have a really capable, powerful winch that you can add to your rig. So how is the winch made? It's been a long process, but it's been fun. It's been exciting to be able to develop this. It all started out with, we have a really great creative team here, so they designed some concepts of how they thought the winch should look. So we went through a couple iterations of that, and then I took over from there. We modeled out the winch in 3D. We 3D printed a bunch of different design options and shared those with focus groups of off-road enthusiasts, and we combined that feedback as well as the features and aesthetics of each design, and that helped us decide what would work best for our winch. From there, we tooled up for samples. And then we got a real production sample in-house and we tested it and evaluated that. We made some little tweaks to it, and then we started producing winches that we could use for our testing purposes. So we got a couple samples in, we did a bunch of testing on them, made sure everything was perfect just the way we wanted it. So first off, every single unit is tested before it even leaves our manufacturing facility. That ensures that each winch is assembled correctly. You know it's gonna work properly right out of the box. We also test them to their complete strength capacity, so we make sure that that 12,000 pound winch actually pulls 12,000 pounds. So they're all tested before they even leave our manufacturing facility. Some other testing we do is IP testing, which IP stands for ingress protection. So our winches are completely dust and waterproof. Same with the remote. You don't have to worry about water or dirt or mud or dust or anything damaging them when they're out on the trails. We literally submerge our winch in a tank of water and operate it under there to make sure that nothing's getting in. We had a great time. Everything worked just as we wanted. Like I just said, we did a ton of development and testing and engineering here in-house. We also have a whole suite of recovery gear for you. So whether you're an experienced off-roader or you're just getting into it right now, we have all the gear that you can need to get your rig set up and get out on the trail, have a great day. You don't have to worry about getting stuck out there. You can help your buddies out with all your cool Borne recovery gear. All right, so if you're interested in our winch or any of our other recovery products, or you just want to learn more about our brand, you can check out our website at borne.com. So thanks for watching and stay tuned for more exciting stuff coming from Borne Off-Road.